Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Solana from Bitmart to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just switch exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do it safely and efficiently. Solana is a fast and popular blockchain, and moving it between platforms like Bitmart and Gemini is easier than you might think, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Gemini, and that you have some Solana in your Bitmart wallet. Start by logging into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and select your Solana balance. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Next, click on the Withdraw button for Solana. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address, which in this case is your Gemini wallet address. To get that, log into your Gemini account, go to your wallet, and copy the Solana deposit address. It's crucial to use the correct network here. Stick with the Solana network to prevent any issues, as using the wrong one could lead to lost funds. Now, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal form on Bitmart. You'll also need to enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum withdrawal limits. Bitmart might ask for a 2FA code or additional verification for security, so have that ready. Once everything looks good, review the details and hit Confirm. After that, the transfer should process quickly. Solana transactions are known for their speed. Keep an eye on the transaction status on Bitmart, and once it's confirmed, head back to Gemini to check if your Solana has arrived. Remember, there might be small network fees involved, so factor that into your transfer amount. A few quick tips. Always verify wallet addresses to avoid sending to the wrong place, and never share your private keys. If you're new to crypto, consider using a test transaction with a small amount first. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.